This 2025 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, stovetop burner, oven, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27 MAV is 7,096 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.